Rambod here. In this video, we'll look at the Border widget in Unreal Engine UI and see how you can use it to wrap and style any UI element. Start by dragging a canvas panel as the root. Drop a border widget inside the canvas. Anchor it to the center, set position X and Y to 0, and set the alignment to 0.5 for both, so it's perfectly centered. Change the size to 200 by 100 to make the border more visible. With the border selected, go to the Appearance section. Here you can set the brush color to anything you like. You can also use the brush property to set a custom image, but for this demo, we'll focus on color. The border widget acts as a container that wraps its child and gives it a styled background and outline. Drag an overlay inside the border. Set its padding to 10 so the content doesn't stick to the edges. The overlay is great when you want to stack multiple widgets on top of each other. Inside the overlay, drag and drop an image and a text block. For the image, pick a color that contrasts with the border color so it stands out. In the slot, overlay slot settings, set horizontal and vertical alignment to fill. This makes the image fill the available space inside the overlay. Now, select the text block. Change the text to whatever label you want. Set its color to white, change the font family to Droid Sans Mono, and change the font size to make it easy to read. Center the text both horizontally and vertically so it sits right in the middle. Now, you've got a UI block with a colored border, a background image, and a text label in the middle. The border widget makes it easy to create styled sections or highlight any part of your UI. Where to use the border widget? You can use the border widget for buttons, panels, tooltips, status indicators, or any spot where you want to make your UI clearer and more readable. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments what other widgets you want to see.